So this is the issue. I have a tab view with tab items inside each of these navigate views. And so these are the two tab items with a navigate button inside. So if I go in here, I have a navigation link, which then goes to the destination view, which in the destination view, I'm either hiding or showing the tab bar. So in this first one, I'll be showing the tab bar. In the second one, I'll be hiding the tab bar on the navigate. So in the first one I navigate, it's all good, the tab bar stays. When I go into the second tab view and navigate, the tab bar disappears. And then when I go back, did you see that? It almost like pauses for a second before it shows the tab bar again. And for me, this wasn't a good user experience. Like, I needed to fix this. I did a lot of researching. I used Claude, Cursor, couldn't find a good solution. So this is what I've come up with. I do want to shout out Swift and Tips, who does have a video on this. His solution was to wrap the tab view in a navigation stack. Now that works, and the animation that it gives is actually better than what I've come up with, but I needed to have navigation stacks per tab item so that I could control them individually and not keep it all together. So if you're in the same case as me, I would do what I'm doing. And if you don't need that, I would recommend watching his video, which I'll link in the description. So the solution is to use a tab bar helper, which will be an environment object. You want to create this tab bar helper and make it observable with the observation import. It's going to have a variable, which is the visibility of the tab bar. Two functions. You can hide the tab bar and you can show the tab bar. And essentially it's just setting the tab bar visibility to hidden or visible, and then you can have it animate as well if you like. So that's the tab bar helper. So how do we use it? Right here, what we're going to do is we're going to create the instance. So we create the instance of the tab bar helper as a state variable, and then we inject it into the environment, which is the tab view. Then inside the navigate view, we get the environment object, the tab bar helper, and on appear we show the tab bar. So this is that first level. We also have the toolbar visibility set on this for the tab bar using that environment variable. And at the final level, the destination view, we again grab the environment object, the tab bar helper, and then on appear, if the parameter was show tab bar, which this is just for the example, you probably wouldn't have a parameter for this, but if you wanted this specific screen to hide, on the appear you would hide the tab bar, or on the appear you would show the tab bar. And you only need it for the screen that it's navigating to and back to. So yeah, and you also have the tab bar visibility on this. So the result that we get is this. On the first tab navigate, you can navigate and the tab bar is visible. On the second tab bar, you navigate and the tab bar disappears, and then it's automatically back. There's not that delay. It's still not perfect, but it looks pretty good. And then also you can, like, it maintains the tab. So here I could navigate, go back, and then come back here, and it's still kept the memory of the first tab, which is what the other video from Swift and Tips was missing. The other addition that you can add is the animate to the show tab functions, and then it looks like this, which looks pretty good. There's a little bit of jumpiness, but it looks pretty good to me. So there you have it. That's my solution for this that wasn't covered in the other solutions that I've seen online, and hopefully it helps you, saves you the time that it took me to figure this out. But this should be fixed. Like, this is not very good, and this is not the most elegant solution, but it's the best I could come up with. So hopefully this will help you out. If you need any help at all, just leave me a comment and I'll respond to it.